Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the Injective and Google Cloud Hackathon. So as you can see from my screen, you will see that Injective is having a hackathon in partnership with Google Cloud. Then the hackathon will be co-hosted by DoraHacks. So DoraHacks is a hackathon platform where people can participate in hackathons, different hackathons and hackathons of different levels. So Injective kicks off the Illuminate hackathon supported by Google Cloud. So the hackathon is in partnership with Google Cloud. So in this video, I will be talking about all the things you need to understand about the hackathons and how you can participate in the hackathons. Most especially, we'll be discussing I will be walking you through on how to get started with the hackathons, from walking you through with the developer documentations and how to register and how to participate fully in the hackathons. So let's kick off. However, don't forget to don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And most especially, I am one of your friend and one of the Injective ambassadors. So this is it. So today Injective is excited to announce the launch of the Illuminate Hackathon supported by Google Cloud and co-hosted by DoraHack. So the hackathons is in partnership with two other platforms, Google Cloud. So Google Cloud is just like the Amazon Web Services, where people will host their just is a cloud-based platform. They run what is called cloud as a service, where people can host their codes or host any of their projects on the cloud. So they are a kind of a server where you can buy a portion of the server and host your website, your web app, or any your mobile app or your decentralized application on. So DoraHack is also a hackathon platform. So in partnership with these two different platforms, they've decided to launch the Illuminate Hackathon. So before I forget, Injective is a layer one blockchain specifically built to support the development of decentralized applications like option market, there's decentralized exchanges, perpetual DESIX, and all the rest of them. So in the Injective ecosystem, there has been a lot of DeFi applications that has been built on top of it. One of them is the Helix app, where you trade your cryptos. And another one currently on testnet is Mito. And recently, there has been a lot of buzz around NFTs on Injective blockchain. There has been a lot of NFTs coming up on Injective platform ecosystem. So you can get yourself into it. But most especially, we'll be talking about these hackathons and how you can get started. The Illuminate Hackathon is unique opportunity for builders to continue showcasing their creativity and innovation within the Injective ecosystem. So the Injective ecosystem is calling all builders, all programmers, all developers to come and build on their ecosystem. So you come and show how creative you are, you come and show how innovative you are by utilizing or using the all the suite, the developer documentation, the developer suite, and all the infrastructure they've made available within the Injective ecosystem. So Injective is a layer one blockchain that allows developer to use what is called plug and play modules. So most of these certain components and features you need to be present in your decentralized application. You don't need to begin to write them from scratch. You can do what is called plugging, making use of these modules that has already been pre-written. I mean, the codes has already been pre-written. So what you need to do is, with your technical knowledge and all you know in the world of programming and developing decentralized application, what you need to do is just to make use of that component. Just as in writing React, if you're a React developer, you will understand me better when I talk about these plug and play modules. This has to do with calling components. Assuming you've pre-written a component and you want to utilize it in a certain part of your app, what you need to do is just to call that particular component and utilize it. So that is how easy it is for developers building on Injective. So there is a lot of tracks in the project, in the hackathon. So for you to get started, you need to register your account under Hacks. Then you can get started with the hackathons. And remember, there is an auction prize pool of $100,000 for developers, for the winners of the most amazing project. So you can get yourself ready to take your own share of this $100,000 prize pool by building sustainable and revolutionary and innovative dApps, DeFi application on Injective. So look at the tracks and the price pool attached to each of them. Okay, there is what is called three tracks. Okay, two tracks. Yes, the DeFi. The first track has to do with building DeFi. Decentralized application has to do with building financial application as regards to the traditional financial system we have, building the one that is bringing the traditional financial system we have to and make it decentralized. That is what we mean by DeFi application there. Infrastructure and tooling. Okay, what are tooling? Tooling are just suits or things that make it easy for people to build something like oracles, Web3 oracles or blockchain oracle like Supra and Chainlink. All these things are blockchain tooling. So they are calling you in this track to build something like that in the Injective ecosystem. Then infrastructures and all the rest of them. You can also build on top of Injective. Then the second track is Web3, building NFT, gaming, and socialify. NFTs are shortly for non-fungible tokens. These are digital identities and not just JPEGs or photos or images, but it has a real value and a real meaning on the blockchain. Then gamify, bringing your all sort of games, all different types of games, Temple Run, all the rest of them, and building them on the blockchain, utilizing the injective infrastructure and technology. Then Socialify has to do with bringing the social world, the world of social media, into the blockchain, building something like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram on injective blockchain. So as you can see from the DeFi infrastructure and tooling track, you can see that the first prize goes with $30,000. Then the second prize goes with $20,000. The third prize goes with $10,000. Then coming down to the second track, which is the Web3 track, you see that the first prize goes with $20,000. The second track goes with $10,000. Then the third track goes with $5,000, making it a okay. Then the community choice award is $5,000. Okay, so the registration period is start from 2nd of October to October 31. Then online submission, the time frame you have to submit your work or your project or the decentralized application or anything you have built is on November 30th. Then project evaluation, as you can see from here, project evaluation, December 1, 2023 to 13 December 2023. Then demo day, that is the day that you will showcase everything that you have built. So why should you even participate in this hackathon? So this is an opportunity for you to explore the injective ecosystem and be creative and be innovative. So how can I get started? First of all, in the description box of this video, I will be dropping the link to register first of all with the Hackathon platform. Then also I'll be dropping the link down the description box of this video, a the link to the documentation, developer documentation provided by Injective, then a link to our Discord server. So I'll be walking you a bit through the Injective documentation. So this is the documentation, the Injective documentation. So the Injective developer team has crafted out a very powerful documentation for developers who is interested on building on Injective. So from there you can see that any kind of thing you want to build on Injective, the documentation is there. What you need to do is just to lay your hands on the documentation and explore the world of creativity in the Injective ecosystem. So you can see building a DEX on Injective, the course ones, that's a DApp using course one. Then how to develop a native token launch on Injective, run a node, join Injective mainnet, join Injective testnet. These are some of the things you need to understand in there. Some of the things you need to see in the documentation. Then developer tools. So assuming you are a TypeScript developer, TypeScript is a kind of a statically typed programming language. You are a Python developer, you are a Go developer. So Go is a programming language developed by Google and is also maintained by Google. So if you write any of these programming languages, you can avail yourself the opportunity to participate in this hackathon and build Harrison and sustainable dApps on Injective and get yourself a very amazing prize. Then let's move over to the chain modules, the core and the Injective, authentication, and all these are just some of the concepts you need to get yourself acquainted with so that you can build a very powerful application. So these are some of the endpoints, both the mainnet endpoint and the testnet endpoint. So depending on the Arrow PC you want to get connected to, you can just copy the address like this, then get connected to the endpoint and begin developing your application. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you on the Hackathon demo day. And I expect you win and take share of the prize pool. Thank you so much.